Hi, this is John with WTI, and while I'm being on vacation, I've been using this Cantu sulfate-free moisturizer. This conditioner is just great. This is like the texture of just the cream. So what I do is that I take a bath, the shampoo, and after the shampoo, I leave these on for just a couple of moments. And the fact that my hair feels smooth, smells nice. Sometimes I haven't even wear a fragrance, and people would tell me here, like, it smells good. What is it? It's this Cantu moisturizer and this great conditioner. This cream overall is high quality. I've been using this for a good time already in this trip and already felt the texture is great, the smell is great, and the end up product is just great too. So if you're looking to get a great conditioner that's going to be sulfate free, that is not going to harm your hair at all, it's going to give you this soft sensation, look no further. This was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.